Welcome back to Cooking Overseas. Today we're bringing you an easy and delicious recipe. If you need an idea for a one-pot dinner, you have to try this beef and rice recipe. Let's dive right in. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter or any other fat. Once hot, add beef cut into bite-sized pieces. I prefer to use ribeye or chuck roast because they are fatty and melt in your mouth once it's cooked. Cook on medium-high heat until it turns gray or brown. Then flip it to the other side. Add salt, black pepper, and Arabic or Indian spice mix. Add chopped onions. Cook for a few minutes until it's translucent. Add chopped carrots. Cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. Cover and let it cook on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Check every few minutes to make sure it's not dry. If it gets dry, add hot water. Then, let's add washed rice. I prefer to use basmati rice for this recipe, but any kind is fine. Add hot water to cover the rice by about half or 1 inch. Add cardamom and bay leaves for amazing fragrance. Once it starts to boil, cover and cook on very low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check that the rice is cooked just by eating a little. Remove the bay leaves and cardamoms. Your dinner is now ready. You have to try it, and I'm sure you will love it. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly flavorful beef and rice recipe. Perfect for your lunch or dinner. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.